Hi there, today we're showcasing the Asidrama 10-pack brushed satin nickel kitchen cabinet knobs. Perfect for upgrading your cabinets and drawers. Made from durable alloy with a sleek satin nickel finish, these knobs offer both strength and style. Each knob measures 2 inches in length, with a 0.75-inch base diameter and a height of 1.34 inches, ensuring a comfortable grip. The standard screw spacing makes installation quick and easy, fitting most cabinets and drawers without hassle. These knobs are individually packaged to prevent damage during shipping, maintaining their pristine condition. Ideal for kitchen cabinets, dressers, closets, and wardrobes, they provide a versatile solution for home improvement projects. Asidrama stands behind their quality with a commitment to replace any product with issues, ensuring your satisfaction. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.